dias, another day, another dollar. And what better day to try to make a dollar than the most gambly day that there is to potentially make some money on. Other than FOMC, there's none better than FOMC, baby. None better. This is the day. I'm just joking, by the way, with that statement. I mean, today is going to be definitely one of the most gambly days that you can potentially play in. It's just, it is. I mean, I don't even have to go too much into details to kind of tell you, but you should kind of already know. But the idea today is simple. Let's take a look over at the numbers section here, and let's take a look at what exactly is going on here. I am watching a potential trade here right now, so that's why I'm kind of here. All right, so what do we got today? Today is full of numbers. It is absolutely jam-packed with numbers. If today doesn't get you thrilled up, I mean, it kind of got me scared. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It got me scared. It didn't get me thrilled. It kind of got me worried. So, for better or worse, well, today is happening. So, today is happening, and what do we got here? What am I referring to? Well, we got... Let me refresh this page. I think we got Bank of Canada numbers. So 9:45, we have Bank of Canada releasing their interest rate decisions. At 10:30, we have Atlanta Fed GDP now. What else we got here? We have 10:30 crude oil numbers, 10:30 numbers. We also have, lots of numbers at 10:30, Canadian numbers. Bank of Canada is going to have their press conference. And of course, at 2 p.m. today is the big one. At 2 p.m. today is the FOMC statement and Fed rate decision. They are projected to keep rates the same at 450. I don't know if they're actually going to keep it the same. Who knows, right? But the point is simple. At 2 o'clock, we're going to have a lot of volatility when those numbers drop, of course. And then at 2:30, we should have Daddy Powell speaking and explaining. It's a jam-packed day. And of course, at the end of the day today, we will have Meta earnings, I believe it is. I forget exactly who it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's two big two big earnings that are happening today after the after the close here. I should have been long from under there. Sorry, guys. I know kind of like half going there, half going here, but I am watching this potential trade here, but I don't really like how we're already at 86 there. I'm going to give it a shot. I mean, I'm going to be probably gambling further out later on anyways. With those numbers when they coming in. All right, so let's get back to this. We have, like I mentioned, FOMC rate decision at 2 o'clock. We have Daddy Powell speaking at 2:30. We have Bank of Canada releasing their interest rate in 32 minutes or 9:45. And of course, we're going to have big earnings at the market close. So I would imagine that today's going to be, right around 3 o'clock. We're going to get a lot of more extra volatility just because we're going to have, of course, the Fed conference that would have wrapped up already. So the market's going to kind of try to stabilize itself. And then we're going to have those earnings, big earnings that are going to get released at 4 o'clock. So then, the market's going to be pretty aggressive in terms of what moves it's going to be making. So, yeah, let's dive in for the now, though. We already talked about the future. Let's talk about the now. I mean, right now, 89 showing a little resistance. Definitely, absolutely. I got 88.75 here as a previous all-time high here. I want to try that. I want to test this thing out. I do like how we're basing out here. My entry is definitely late here. I was long from the 82.75 or 83 this morning here, but I of course took it up for a 3-tick loss this morning, just because I was gonna go get ready, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait for the next level, which is sitting over here for me. I even left a resting order. It's still sitting there at the 67. We're gonna cancel that before that gets me in trouble. So we have 70 and 66 as a major level of support here sitting today. This is in fact the next major Jenga block that needs to fail in order for me to think short bias. This is the next Jenga block that when we start testing there, I don't expect it to just fail. Okay, so I mean, it could. The market's a matter of probabilities, right? It can definitely just fail, but at the end of the day, we want to see tests of that level. We want to see multiple bounces. I want to see traps that kind of dip below, reclaim, push up higher, get sold off. Like, that's what I want to see. I want to see basically a chop disaster at that level down there for me to know that this is perhaps what could be happening right there. Right there. Wait for it. We're going to work our way towards a 66.70. We want to work it out until it finally collapses, making this whole Jenga block basically go down. So until that doesn't happen, I have to just simply follow price. We do have 82, 85 level of support here. Of course, this is not hindsight. We can simply go back to the 100% free trading community, trading traps, and you can see here how we're just following the plan here. Whatever happens from this trade, I don't care. I am simply following my plan here. This is what I posted up this morning here. 82, 85 is another level of interest for me with a trap in brackets here. With a trap. We already tested this late because we tested it late day. So simply following the plan here, you can see we have 82 to 85 level, which of course you can, it's right there that, this is right here. And what's key here for the trap is that the first dip held. So for example, if this one had broken it, I would argue that the trap has failed. But because you can clearly see here that the first level did not actually fail, obviously it can fail later on. I'm saying as of right now, this level has not failed, or that second bottom that went there did not make it fail. Therefore, I'm still thinking that the trap is valid. And then therefore, when we reclaim that 83, which is where I should have been long from, but I was not here, I was getting ready. Well, I waited for the 85 to fully reclaim. This is why I'm long there already. And of course, looking at it on the 1 hourly chart there, you will definitely see a little bit more of a wick. You will see the flush and the recovery. You can see that on the hourly. Of course, on the 2-minute looking different there. But for now, there is a little trap set here for now for us. Pleased to meet you. I hope you guess my name. Oh, yeah. Honestly, I hope that we can kind of just, well, not we, that I can kind of nail this trade at the open here and then basically not even have to worry about trading later on, because later on it's going to be scary, honestly. I would not trade, not your main account. If you want a practice account or you want to go on like a combine, perhaps you can do that. If depends on the level that you're at. I don't know, but I would not recommend, if you just got into like an XFA or if you have a live account, to be kind of, trading at that particular time. There's no need for it. I've tried it. I've done it. I probably will do it, but you guys do what you guys want. I'm just trying to say, for the average person, probably not a good idea. You know what I mean? Especially if you're new. So you've been warned. Interest rate, Bank of Canada rates are going to be coming out here 9:45. So I'm hopeful that we can kind of still get pushing from here and we can get towards back up towards that magical maybe 6,100 level up there. Oh, yeah. 89, we're hitting 89 resistance there. Hustler pointing that out there. You can see how, you can see that right there. Hustler right there ahead of time, letting us know that 89 could have acted up at something. And I'm more at 88.75, whatever. 89, 88.75 is pretty much bang on, same thing. This was a previous all-time high there, hence why my yellow line is yellow. Could we get denied here? Breakdown 85, breakdown 82. Well, then we're going to the next major Jenga block. Hopefully we don't, though. Hopefully we don't. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like the other song those playing. I think if we can continue to just hold this 86, perhaps take over that 89 there. I think 6100 is kind of it's in the books. It's in the cards. 6100. It could be in the menu. The only thing that worries me is, the news, because they might. I have like I'm building this conspiracy that they might want to dump it before they pump it. I don't know. Either way, I don't care. I mean, I just need to trade what I see, and so far I'm following my plan, following the plan, and I'm happy with that. 89, trying to get reclaimed here. Trying to push through that 89 there. Pretty pleased. Yes, let's make this happen. All right, we got 1 minute before we get the best and only indicator that I ever need. And yeah, so let's wait another minute. Come on, baby. Let's go to the 6100. Let's do it for Papa. Yes, baby. Yes. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. All right, we got Bank of Canada numbers at 9:45. It is 8:20. Let's get the magical indicator, the one and only, none other than the ducking wheel of fortune, my friends. We got the green for the pump, the red is for the dump, and the yellow is for the chop. Let's find out who's going to win. It's, of course, best out of 3. You guys know this already. All right, let's go. What are we going to do at the market open? Pump. I like it. I like it. I ducking love it. Let's see. Can we get 2 straight pumps on this? 2 straight. Give me 2 straight pumps. And... oh my god. Uh-oh. I thought it was going to stop at the big pump. I was getting excited there. So we got the chop. Sorry, the dump. All right. Let's see. Best out of 3. It's either the green or the red. Let's find out. Yellow. Yellow don't count. It's between red and green. No. Shit, now I'm fighting against the magical indicator because I'm lost. I think she's wrong today. I think we're pumping, okay? I think we're pumping at the open. That's my thesis. I think Choo Choo Train wants to pump. Dun, dun. All right. So we're just following the plan for now. How much can this plan reward me with? Again, if you're not there, if you're not part of the free community, it is 100% free. It is free. But over here, a lot of goodies being posted. Like I mentioned this morning here, all I'm waiting for simply is for 82 to where did she go? Where did she go? Because I already know somebody's gonna say hindsight. I got in long here. Not long ago. 82 to 85 is another level of interest for me with that trap. We already tested this late day yesterday. So simply sticking to the plan there and getting long there. I should have been long 83. I would have been long 83, but I wasn't on my computer. If Hustler's here, if you're still here, I don't know if you're thinking about taking profit here. I don't know if you got long there, took profit 89 because you were mentioning how it was resistance there. By the way, you see that red trend line there? This like red one. Again, I don't trade trend lines. I'm only telling you what I see. So we do have this trend line here that broke down just now over on the 1 hourly chart. So we do have a big red trend line here, which broke down. Whoops, I know there's a lot of lines there, but I can't really delete them or else, well, no, I'm not deleting them. That's my work right there. But anyways, we get basically this kind of wedge thingamajiggy. Boom, boom, boom. We broke down there. We're trying to reclaim here right now. Can the bulls actually make it happen and squeeze us back on up towards 6,100? That is the $1,000,000 question. But I would imagine, that if we can get going, we could potentially fill that gap. You know what I mean? I think ultimately we go up today. I have the conspiracy of my thesis is that I think we go up. I think we go up. I don't know how. I'm not saying we're gonna go up in a smooth boat. We're sailing higher. I'm saying ultimately by Friday we probably end up higher. Either way, I don't care. We're gonna follow price. We know whenever the dump is about to come in, it is right under that 66.70, and then we'll be getting ourselves ready for the dump. Yes, I'm still holding, but I'm ready to bail. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to lie to you. I kind of am too. I don't really like those doji candles there that I'm seeing there. But hey, I got to follow price. We're above 89. 89 was that resistance level. We called out here 88.75 for me. We're above that 88.75. I know that the candles are telling me, looking weak, we're looking like you're getting stuck. We could get denied here, but I'm just going to stick with following the price here. But if you want to take it, my friend, take it. No shame in taking profit. You can always get back in long later. That's a philosophy that I can learn from as well. So, but you guys know me already. I'm too stubborn. Too stubborn to take profit there. I got to follow the price. Above 89, I'm holding. Above it, I'm holding. I think we're going to the 6,100. That's just my thesis here. Come on, baby. Give me that 6,100 so I can get the duck out of here, move it along with the rest of my day, and not even have to come back here for 2 o'clock. I still might, but there's no way I'm trading XFAs or anything like that. No way. I'm telling you guys, if you're comfortable with it, I applaud you, but I don't have to feel comfortable, nor do I have to. I will simply be waiting for tomorrow. You got to know when to push, and you got to know when not to push so much. You know what I mean? And today is probably not a day to push. I mean, of course, you can try it. You know what I mean? But size down. Follow your plan, and definitely size down is key. I mean, I can't really size down any more than one contract, so that's why I'm saying I just hope I nail this, and I'm out. I'm done. Maybe a combine, fine, you know what I mean? Just to kind of feel the thrill, but definitely not XFAs or live accounts. No, no, no. All right, market's gonna open up here in about 4 minutes. So today, basically, just to recap here, we do have a level of support here, which we did mention over on the Discord community, the 82.85 level, which I was looking for, a trap. We sent this out this morning here. Again, it's not a Discord where I send you links or send you anything. I am doing this, or I send you alerts. That's not what this is for. Okay, if you think that that's what it's for, just don't even bother going in there, okay? Right? The reason why I'm doing this is, one, it's a personal journal, and two, I am proud of the fact that, at the end of the day, I can come here on stream and later on look at myself on camera and basically, all right, I said 82.85 was support. We got the trap to the downside here. The first original wick held. We reclaimed that 82. That was a simple long trigger right there. I mean, I wasn't here around for the 82, but I did get long right when we reclaimed that 85 there. And just following the plan, and we'll see how far that can potentially take us today. We got numbers at 9:45. I'm wondering what's going to happen. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. Can we make this happen? Yes. I'm not putting my signature or anything, but if I had to say a target from this level, I mean, 6,100 has got to be one of them. You know what I mean? It's got to be one of them. That's a major psychological level there. If, of course, ES wants to do it. I'm not putting my signature. I said I'm not doing it. This market is too wild to even try to attempt to predict anything. My best bet is just know where to get long and hopefully the fucker goes up. The ducker. Hopefully the ducker goes up. Or vice versa. If you get short at a key resistance level, and then pray it goes down. It doesn't chop around. Coming back down here towards that 87 level. Uh-oh. I think it has to do with market opening up here. Market's about to open up here. This is kind of standard, normal routine. Can it just waterfall? Absolutely. Should I go break even? Not me, but if you want, you can. If whatever, take profit. That is not a pretty candle to be looking at when you're long. Oh my god. No. No. They're bringing it back down here. Oh shit. They back testing my entry there. Market's about to open up. This is already looking wild. This is a wild ride right now. Wild. Mr. Michu. Hope you guess my name. Oh, yeah. All right, just like that. Back testing that 85 level. Pushing back up. Market's about to open up. You can tell when the market's about to open up. It gets more scary. Now, look. We were trending up nicely, right? Nicely. The market's about to open. Bunch of shit. It's rigged. It's rigged. I got stopped -2. Uh-oh. Today you're probably like, fudge, I should have taken the profit. All right, market's open for business. Where are we going? $1 million question. Where are we going? I'm going to do it. I'm adding another one right there. We're going to take one out here over at the 94 here. If we can get pushing here. Come on, baby. Let's go. Don't even try it. Don't even try to be funny with me. Let's go straight there, baby. Go straight there. Go straight there. Come on, baby. One trade and done for the day. I don't really want to even gamble with the things later on. Come on, baby. Just ducking do it. Don't do me like this. Just go to that 94. Fuck. Getting stuck there so far. Yes, of course, my average went up because I added a second contract over here at the highs like a chooch. Oh my gosh. No. What a prick. Right when I try to size up too. No. Fuck, and now the funny thing is we're holding that 85 there. Mother ducker. Well, we did trade number one. I'm going to take a breather. I'm going to take a breather. I added another one. I thought we were going to go from here, but she's calling for some chop, I guess. Maybe Wheel of Fortune was ducking right. Look, I'm going to do the original trade I had in mind here. I'm going to try it. We have the 85. I don't like how I got stopped literally right there. What a mother duckers, I swear. I'm telling you, mother duckers there. I'm going to put this down here. We're back testing that 82 now. Yeah. I guess I should have taken the profit over there at the 89.90. I'm with Hustler on this. My gosh. Trade number 2, same freaking level here. I'm trying it because I don't really want to come back at 2 o'clock. You know what I mean? I think I have better chances here than at 2. That's just what I think, but could be wrong. We'll see. Mother. Ugh. Just came back to back this 82 here now. My stops today are perfect. $82 there, holding nicely. Should have just longed that 82. I'm getting kind of chopped up here. Come on down a little bit more, baby. Oh my God, here we go. Yes, close below there. I don't know. I think this thing wants to fucking go, man. I think Tuju Train wants to go, but getting chopped up here a little bit. Should have been long from that 85 there. My stop should not be there. 82, 85, 87 turning into resistance there. I'm getting chopped up here officially, guys. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. That 82 is that entry there. I'm gonna just let it go. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. I got faked out too many times there. My entry long is the 82, but I'm here longing 85. Oh, man. This fucking market today. Putting my stop right where it bounces from. I'm gonna wait till the next level. I'm gonna do one last trade before I get back too much profit. I already get back quite a bit. It's like I fucking manifested it. Today I was kind of worried. I'm like, I almost know it that it's gonna be a red day for me. I almost know it. I manifested it, guys. How? And look at it. It's so simple. Fucking simple. 82, man. That's the trigger there to the long side. Come on, Leo. Wake up, man. Smell like ducking coffee, baby. All right, come on, ES. Don't be so choppy. You know, let's go down. Let's go down. We got one last trade before I'm out of here. Oh my God. I want to long that 82, but I almost feel like we want to go lower at this point now. I'm gonna go to the low of the trap there. Well, that's too much. $83.50, 82. Oh my God, what a disaster. Disaster today. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the red and I'm gonna walk. Definitely impatient today. And like My stops are getting like literally nailed here. Got that dip there, getting nailed there, getting nailed again. What a disaster. Choppy disaster at the open. For me, at least. I mean, of course, yes, in hindsight, it was a short up there, but I'm not going to touch this anytime soon. I'm going to let it go at least to the next support at the bottom down there. That was me being impatient. Shit happens. No, I said I wanted to make 20 points today. I didn't want to be losing 20 points. Come on. What to do here? I mean, so difficult. Yet so simple. Definitely not long in this level anymore. Too choppy. Too much. I'm gonna wait. He could reclaim 82, rally now, but I'm over it now. Too many dips below here. The trap is still freaking holding. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's still holding there. It's the hint that we still went up. It is so ridiculous how the market does this. Ridiculous. It is unbelievable. I'm the one who ruins the plan. What am I gonna do? If I can get long here, it's gonna probably dip again. Well, whatever. I'm gonna try this shit one more time here. Fuck. That trap is still holding. This thing wants to go up. It's just the choppy disaster leading up to the numbers. This is my last trade. If I get stopped on this, I'm just done for the day completely. All right, we got numbers in 5 minutes here. Should have just longed at the bottom here. Fucking disaster. No. I'm not even gonna make it to the freaking numbers in 4 minutes. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. This 82 is gonna hold. 82 is gonna hold. Well, talk about being too aggressive today. On the long side, at least. Oh, come on, yes. Don't do this. Let's go towards that 89. Come on, baby. Come on. Fuck. Oh, man. I got caught. All right. I'm done. Drop it. Fuck. Mother ducker. Oh, my God. She got me good today. I came out swinging too hard. You know what I mean? Look at this. 89 clearly turning into resistance there. We broke down that hourly trend line there. This one's on me. I feel like I manifested it. You know what I mean? Like I was feeling so confident on the day, and then all of a sudden, buenos dias. More like buenas good evening for me. I'm gonna leave. Oh my gosh. I haven't had a day like this in a while. I don't even want any more of this. This is a perfect example of getting caught to the long side there. Like, I'm there trying to long this level here, knowing, you know what I mean? Like, it's trying to break. Choppy disaster. But you know what? Whatever. I'm at least happy I did it now. Like, I feel like if I had done it at 2 o'clock, it would have been worse. Every FOMC day, not every, but the last like two, or maybe this one and the one before the last one is when I had some bad red days. So I don't. They're like 50-50 for me. They're either really green or really red. It's just how it is. This is why I say don't, it's probably a good idea not even to trade. I thought about it. I'm like, I shouldn't even trade today. It was funny actually because I was outside. I'm like, today is just such a volatile day that I don't think I want to trade at all, like in general. And then I'm like, I'm going to do it. Because I had a feeling, when you have those feelings that like, and that's why I'm saying I manifested the red day here. And now it's going down to that one. Hustler, shorting 84 out at 76. I love it. I like it. I'm at least happy, that somebody nailed that short, and it had to be Hustler. Oh man, I got wrecked to the long side here. I didn't even make it to the fucking 945 numbers. Got 1 minute for the 945 numbers. I think I was fighting the market. After that first loss, I'm like, I'm fighting the market at this point. Sticking edges. So now I got a choice to make. I have not been stopped on the day, but pretty soon I am. So I could either walk away or load up another account that has plenty. My personal stop out is 1200. I pushed it up. It used to be 6. I haven't hit that level in such a long time, so I'm like, give ourselves some extra space. But probably not a good choice on a day like today. On a typical day, I don't even get nowhere near that. But man, just today, it's a red day, guys, for me. I mean, anybody that tells you that they don't have any, they're lying to you. We got that magical 70-66 level down there. Can we actually hit it? Like, it's very bad here. Like, the volatility, not pretty. Sisters, brothers. What would you guys do? I mean, I know the right thing to do is just to walk, but no. I'm not even mad at the fact that I'm having a red day. What I'm mad at is like, you see this, like how we dip, we bounce, we dip, we bounce, we dip, we bounce. This is exactly what it looks like when you're trying to fail a support. And I know better. Like that's when you're burning down that level of support there. And then I'm still longing the prick. You know what I mean? I would have liked to long down here at the 70, but of course, price already deciding to bounce from that 74. Be careful. There's a lot of volatility today. 3-point stop. Likely not gonna do too much today. I mean, it's gonna get taken out pretty easily. You know what I mean? I mean, even a 10-point stop, you could argue will be taken out easily. Review. All right, we're back testing 82 there. Can we turn that level into resistance and head on lower? In hindsight, it was easy. Sure, where I should have been taking profit there from that long here. I thought we were gonna go to that 6100. I had that target up there. Clearly not happening today. We decided to break down, and this is a good thing. Leading into the numbers, this is a good thing. I got stopped 2 times, but I'm green. Nice. That's what I'm hoping I can do here somehow. We'll see if we can do a nice little trap at the 70 there. Don't not shorting that 82. I'm not really in love with shorting that 82 there. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. The hourly chart might be saying something to us. The hourly chart basically saying we went down still. Trying to break down here. Classic. I came out swinging today. Swinging. And then swing to the air. How quickly the market can humble your ass. Like, I was here dancing earlier. This long because I thought we were gonna go pushing towards that 6100, and then boom, I get chopped around here at the open. Hey, that's the market. I gotta say, it's a love-hate relationship. Shit happens. But why does it have to happen? You know what I mean? I think it has to do with the mentality. Like, as soon as you wake up, you can kind of sometimes, I don't want to say it, but like when you're like, how do I explain this properly? I don't know if you guys feel this. Like, if you're doing too good, or like if you're having too many like green days in a row, all of a sudden you're like, even though yes, you know that you're doing well, you're like, that red day is gonna come. And when it comes, it's gonna come. You know what I mean? And like you start to forget about it after like 2, 3, and then after a few like 5, 6, 7 green days in a row, you're like, all right, this B is coming, but then you start to feel frightful of it that you manifested, or that you start to feel maybe, I don't know, impatient, or at the first time you're ready, you might feel impatient, and then you get even worse. I don't know if you guys feel that, but that's kind of what I felt today. I'm like, all right, there's no way we're getting into a red day, and then boom. After the first loss, I'm like, it's okay, it's good. I don't know, it's just such a backwards mentality. And then when you're doing bad, it's not the other way around. You don't think that it you're gonna get that big green day inevitably. No, it's like shit. You're doing bad. How long are you gonna continue to do bad for, right? And when you're doing really really good, you're like, well, that red day's coming. So, well, that's how I feel. I don't know if that's how you guys feel, but it kind of always worries. There's always that worry, that trader worry. After I don't know what it's called, if there's such a word for it, but and I guess in what I'm saying, I guess I find peace because I know that when they do come, all I gotta do is just keep it small. This is why we have max losses. Our accounts are protected so that in case we do go on tilt, you have at least that max loss. So if you don't have one, that is the number one rule of trading, in my opinion. Not even a lot of other ones. Number one is max loss. What's the maximum? Like, and I'm not saying that this is what you must hit if you have a red day. I'm saying that max loss is in case you go overboard tilt. Like, that is not to be expected as your max loss. Like, if you have your max loss at 1,000, your red day should not be 1,000. You know what I mean? It should be much less than that. But at the end of the day, if you go on tilt or something, that's it. Like, that's the final straw there. But anyways, I thought it was a good point to talk about. Somebody that needs. Barcelona's playing later on, though. I don't know if any Barcelona fans over here, but it's a Champions League, so they're all technically gonna play at the same time today. Today's the last game of the Champions League. All right. This is it. No more. I'm walking away after this. I am walking away. We got to get going towards that 85. We got to push that 85 here. Push, 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 baby, push. Give me a clean move. Come on. Push through that 85. Push through the 89. Push to that 87. Oh my God. Getting stuck there again. Don't do it. Don't you do it, baby. All right. Again, failing over there, getting stuck at that 85 there, turning into resistance now. I basically, at this point, I am done. I am not even going to attempt anything else. I'll be back here tomorrow, though, for sure. But it's just my stops are all over the place here. Getting in a little late there. You can see I just got stopped out there. Ultimately, I think the trend wants to push on up here, but I'm just going to walk. Done for today. So thank you all for tuning in. Of course, not the day I wanted, but I mean, it's the day that it had to be. So if you want to continue the conversation there will be other traders there trading perhaps, and I'll still get my ideas there, just in general. But yeah, if you want to join, it is free. So take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to try and enjoy mine. I will definitely enjoy it. I'm still alive, baby. Nothing else can make me sad or upset in life. You know, we're alive and we get to do this. So I'm going to walk.